Here's an unboxing video of the Powerus PW8000 1-ohm version. This amp can be purchased at 80kaudio.com. Let's see. Open the box, greeted with instruction manual, nice size Powerus sticker. On the side you have your tools to open up the screw holes for the amp, the Allen keys. On the instruction manuals, amp is rated at 12.6, 8,400, and at 1 ohm at 14.4 volts, 9,750. So this amp is capable of giving you some power, lots of it. So you have that. This is the amp. Turn it around real quick. Oh yeah, not to mention the side of the box lets you know the other models, as well as on this side they come in 0.5 ohm, 1 ohm, 2 ohm, and on some models 4 ohm, not all of them. So be specific when ordering on 80kaudio.com on the drop box when ordering the amp. Specify which ohm amp that you want. You have your clip light, your voltmeter if you're going below 7 volts or going down to 7 volts, yeah, below, or if you're going higher than 16. So you stay within these operating voltages and you're fine. Clip light on, or power or protection light, and your limiter. That's a cool feature this amp has. Let's see. You have on this side your fan, 0 gauge terminals and remote, exhaust fan on the other side. And on this side, this amp is heavy. Not your typical Brazilian amp. This thing got some weight to it. On this side, you have your speaker terminal. You can put 8 gauge wire in there. RCA and all your controls. You have your low pass, high pass, your bass boost, your limiter, and your level, or gain, as some would say. Now, this limiter situation, I love it, because if you have the slightest distortion, you can always, instead of backing the gain down, you use the limiter to clean it up. And the cool thing about this amp is not a lot of amps can boost your bass frequency down to 28 hertz. So that's a plus right there. So there you have it, the Powerus PW8000. You can purchase these and the other lines of Powerus amps at 80kaudio.com.